Hi, once again, this is Dr. Aldrin Tedrick Sakisan, aka Kuya Prof. At gusto ko pong ibalita sa inyo na... sandali lang. Hindi pa ako magbibenta ng libro. Gusto ko lang pong ibalita sa inyo na ngayong araw po ito, June 24, 2021, ay nagse-celebrate po ng 21st wedding anniversary ang ating kaibigan na si Dr. soon to be a Dr. Art of Tube and soon to be a Dr. Ellen. Ayan. So binabati ko po kayo. 10 na ating kasamaan dito sa KP Television ng happy 21st anniversary. Naway patuloy ninyong gampanan ang inyong tungkulin bilang magulang, syempre, at bilang mag-asawa. Laging magmamahalan. Sabi ko nga, kilos-kilos, ayos. Ayan, ipadaman natin yung ating pagmamahalan sa pamamagitan ng kilos-kilos, ayos. Sapagkat kung tayo ay kikilos ng maayos, ang lahat ng bagay sa ating buhay talaga naman magiging maayos. Muli, this is Dr. Aldrin Tedrick Sakisan, bumabati sa inyo ng happy 21st anniversary. Congratulations! At babati ko po ang ating mga kasamahan. At syempre, may sorpresa kami sa inyo. Abangan, panoorin nyo to.
My lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could listen to me if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls prevent us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all that I have. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore. So please believe me, I could never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all that I have. Be my lady. Night and day through the rest of my life, just like a work of art. My love will last and keep forever. Just like a work of art, my love will last forever.
Andyan pala kayo. Ganun lang, mabilis lang to. Pero bago ang lahat, maraming salamat sa Diyos. At syempre, eto na. Sir Art, soon to be Dr. Art at Ma'am Ellen, happy 21st wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Ako, ang pamilya at ang mga ka-wellness ay bumabati sa inyo at kasama kayo sa panalangin na lalo pang maging matatag, exciting, kakilig-kilig at masaya ang mga darating pang panahon sa inyong buhay mag-asawa. Oh, stay happy, healthy, and well ha, para mas marami pang okasyon darating. At huwag niyo po kaming kakalimutan imbitahan sa inyong silver at golden wedding anniversary. Congratulations! God bless us all.
Hello, Ana Nation! This is Beautiful Smile with Dr. Maria Ana Claudio Patagati. Mali. Wala pala ako sa Beautiful Smile. Ayan, binabati ko po si Sir Art, si Ma'am Ellen, ang happy wedding anniversary. Mabuhay po kayo and may God bless you forever and ever. Enjoy every day of your lives together. Ay, sandali. May kumakatok po ha. Sandali lang po. Kukunin ko lang po. Babati yun sa inyo. Sandali po ah. Oh, hindi ka rito. Halika, pasok ka. Wait. Oh, sige. Halika na, halika na. Binuksan ni Doc yung pinto ng kasi aso ko po, kasama ko po si Anarama po, bumabati po sa inyo ng happy anniversary Sir Art, Ma'am Ellen. Ayan, kapag tumibok ang puso, wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito, kaya celebrate po lagi ha. Mabuhay po kayo, happy anniversary, God bless you.
Today is a very special occasion, ano? Very special occasion ito kasi isa sa ating mga kasama dito sa KP Television is celebrating their wedding anniversary. So I would like to take this opportunity to greet Teacher Art at saka ang kanyang loving wife, si Ma'am Elena, ng happy wedding anniversary. So in behalf of the KP Television and our Perspective TV with Sir Adrasor, happy wedding anniversary to you, Teacher Art and Ma'am Elena. Sana marami pang taon ang ibigay sa inyo ng ating Panginoon na para mas makapag-serve pa tayo sa Kanya through our programs. God bless po, Mr. and Mrs. Octubre.